This is the War Brief Daily for May 16, 2026, covering the Russia-Ukraine theater. Tonight, we are tracking four major developments. Russia launched a large overnight strike package hitting Kyiv, Kharkiv, Poltava, and Odesa, with Ukraine conducting confirmed retaliatory drone strikes on Russian oil and military infrastructure. On the ground in Donetsk, Ukrainian forces confirmed a localized gain, while Russia registered contested advances near Vuhledar. The first stage of a landmark 1,000 for 1,000 prisoner exchange was completed, and Zelensky's office has issued a credible intelligence warning about Russian reconnaissance of Kyiv's decision-making centers. First, the air war. This is confirmed. Russia launched a mixed strike package overnight, combining Kh-101 cruise missiles with Shahed-type loitering munitions against multiple Ukrainian regions. Ukraine's Air Force reported high intercept rates across western and central Ukraine, but some missiles connected. A direct hit on a residential apartment block in Kyiv caused confirmed casualties and structural damage. Odesa port infrastructure also sustained impacts, though Russian claims of a major Danube port strike are not confirmed by Ukrainian authorities. Ukraine responded. Confirmed OSINT footage and Russian regional channels documented fires at a southern Russian oil depot, with secondary detonations consistent with a military logistics or ammunition site. Ukraine framed the strikes as deliberate retaliation for the Kyiv apartment attack. One forensic detail worth noting: a recovered Kh-101 from this salvo contained more than 100 components sourced from Western countries, a direct indictment of sanctions enforcement. Second, the front line. This is confirmed. Ukrainian forces from the 16th Army Corps released drone footage and a flag-raising video confirming control of the village of Odesa in Donetsk Oblast. No credible Russian visual counter-evidence has emerged. Near Vuhledar, Russian forces registered localized advances and raised a flag in at least one contested hamlet. OSINT mapping shows these as minor positional adjustments, not a breakthrough. Treat Russian Ministry of Defense territorial claims in the northern Kharkiv-Kupiansk axis as low to medium reliability until independently verified. In Zaporizhzhia, Russia is visibly reinforcing positions around Tokmak and Melitopol. No line shift confirmed in the last 24 hours, but the logistics pattern mirrors pre-offensive buildup. Flag this as your 72-hour watch item. Third, the prisoner exchange. This is confirmed by both sides and international media. Ukraine and Russia completed the first stage of a 1,000 for 1,000 prisoner of war exchange negotiated with U.S. mediation. Between 200 and 250 Ukrainian soldiers were released. The discrepancy reflects counting methodology, not dispute. Most had been held for approximately 4 years, including defenders captured at Azovstal in Mariupol in May of 2022. This is the first concrete humanitarian outcome of negotiations tied to the Victory Day ceasefire framework. Fourth, the intelligence warning. This is confirmed as an official statement with medium to high credibility for the underlying intelligence. Ukrainian officials publicly stated that Russia has been reconnoitering Kyiv's decision-making centers, including the presidential office and the Verkhovna Rada, for possible future strikes. ISW confirmed the warning in its published assessment. And on the same day Russia struck a Kyiv apartment block and surveilled its political institutions, Putin publicly declared the war is, quote, coming to an end, and invited Zelensky to meet him in Moscow. Ukrainian officials and Western analysts are treating that claim with heavy skepticism, and so should you. Here is what to watch next. Monitor whether Russia conducts a follow-on strike targeting Kyiv political infrastructure. Track ISW confirmation of the Odesa gain and any Russian counter-moves in the Vuhledar corridor. Watch for Stage 2 of the prisoner exchange, and keep eyes on the Tokmak-Melitopol buildup in Zaporizhzhia. If that logistics posture hardens further, it becomes the story of next week. That is your War Brief Daily for May 16th, 2026. Stay sharp.